Assalamu alaikum student. This is Sardar Hamza, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. Students, we are on chapter number 10, which is about very important social issues, that is drug addiction. Before going to the explanation of this chapter, we must know what basically drugs are and what is addiction. Student, drugs are the substances that changes person mental or physical states. The vast majority of drugs are used to treat medical conditions, both physical and mental. Some, however, are used outside medical setting for their effects on the mind. These are referred to as recreational drugs, and many of them are illegal in the world. Addiction is a disease that affects your brain and behavior. When you are addicted to a drug, you cannot resist yourself to use them, no matter how much harm the drug may cause. So student, this was a slight, or we can say the brief introduction of the topic. Now let's move to the thorough explanation of the chapter text.